So what we have here today is some sorted CCI Standard Velocity by weight. I have a whole bunch loaded into boxes in different weights, but these are just like the leftover ones. So as you can see above there, that's the weight in grains for all these. So we'll shoot 10-shot groups at 100 yards, and that should give us a good idea of how the velocities are. And at the exact same time, we have Magneto Speed Sporter chronograph, as well as the Garmin Zero C1 Pro. So we'll get two chronographs compared, as well as seeing how weight sorting CCI Standard Velocity works out in my CZ 457 LRP. Let's get to the video. Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today we are shooting my CZ 457 LRP out to 100 yards, but today we're going to shoot sorted by weight CCI Standard Velocity. I'm kind of looking at it how you would with the center fire. Like, you can adjust the weight and grains and you'll get an accuracy note at a certain weight of powder, and you kind of adjust from there. So the way I did it here is I went up 0.1 grain of powder, and we're starting at 50.6, and I'll probably shoot to 51.3. So that'll be 8 different 10-shot groups, and we'll just see how it works. So first off, maybe I'll do 5 fouling shots with the 51.4 stuff, just to get the barrel seasoned in. So this would be the hottest ones I have right now. So we'll just try it out. And at the exact same time as we're doing that, we'll be comparing 2 different chronographs, the Magneto Speed Sporter and the Garmin Zero C1 Pro. And we'll see what the differences are, if there is any difference, and that's about it. We'll just go with the flow. So first up, we're gonna shoot 100 yards. We're gonna aim for center just to kind of get on, and this is with 51.4 grain bullet combo, like the whole thing weighed 51.4. So we'll just shoot for center. We got 5 shots. We'll just try to get our zero dialed in here, and then we'll do 8 10-shot groups after that. Aiming for dead center. Here we go. A little high. I don't want the empty cartridges going into the reloading box. Okay, so not too sure what the velocities were of those. Well, actually I'm very sure. But now we will start watching, starting with, well, we were a tiny bit high there. That was the hottest load. It'll come down 2/10, and we'll shoot a 10-shot group on the top left target, holding on the red dot. I'm actually going to aim off, I'm going to hold on top left edge of that red dot, so I get a more precise aiming point. This is 50.6 grains. We'll do 10 shots. And we have one more. So I guess we could check the velocities after that. And the next group, I'll shoot, I guess I'll hold on the top right corner of that same target, but a little bit higher up. That was pretty close, so we should be good here. That's 50.7 grains now. Actually, you know what? I'll aim one tiny square over off the top of that outside top left square. All right, here we go. Last shot. That's a pretty nice little group there, for sure. And the next one will be 50.8. And this one we'll aim at the left, or the right top target, left top edge of the outside. And this is 50.8, like I already said. A lot of them went through the same hole, which I'm pretty impressed with. And that one kind of opened up a bit, but still nothing. That's actually doing really well. I hope both these chronographs have recorded 35 shots. Yes, they have. So we should have a good idea what's going on that way. And now we're shooting 50.9 grains, and we'll shoot off the right edge of that same square. And my GoPro is less than a mil to the right of that. Here we go. Ooh. What happened there? Still had a few flyers, but most of them grouped in there real tight. So now I have to reload a few rounds. So we'll do that real quick and we'll get back to the video. There we go, we're all loaded up and we're ready to shoot our next group with 51 grain loaded bullets. So we'll go back to the far left, bottom top edge of that lower square there. Here we go for 10. Actually, I'm gonna put some, it's hard to see the black reticle on the target right now. So I'll use my illuminated reticle, which works really well, and we'll go from there. Here we go. That sounded really hot. And we're out. So that was 51 grains, and it kind of opened up. So far, I think the best group was around 50.7, maybe the 50.8. But this is 51.1 now. And we're going to do the top right edge of that same diamond, or same square. Last shot. So, not the greatest as well. Starting to open up a bit. The next 10 shots, 51.2 grains. And we'll shoot the bottom right target, top left edge. Right there. Last shot. And once again, a couple strange little flyers, but still looking pretty good. Our last 10 shots, it will be with 51.3 grain projectiles, or you know what I mean. The whole case, primer, projectile, everything's 51.3. Here we go. Last 10 shots. Ooh, hit 3 in one hole, and then we had a flyer. And that one seemed pretty good, other than that one crazy flyer. Yeah, I guess we'll have to go measure up the groups and see which one's performing the best. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video today, and hope you're enjoying the 31 days with 31 videos in December. Obviously it's not December when I recorded this video, but here it is. You're watching it now. So that's our results at 100 yards with CCI Standard Velocity, only doing a little bit of weight sorting. And I think we had pretty good results. We didn't have crazy flyers like you normally get with CCI Standard Velocity. And when I was weighing them out in the boxes, I noticed there was pretty much like a grain and a half from the lightest to the heaviest. So not sure if that's just priming compound, difference in case weight, or projectile weight, or what, or powder weight kind of thing. But yeah, there's a lot of variations. So I think we're, by sorting by weight, which is relatively quick to do as well, you can make cheap CCI Standard Velocity shoot probably as good as SK Standard Plus. So probably in the near future here, I'll have SK Standard Plus, and we'll do the same thing. If you have any different recommendations of what you would want to see with the SK Standard Plus compared to what I did with the CCI Standard Velocity today, let me know down in the comments down below. I'll read all the comments, and I'll consider everyone's comment and suggestion. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all tomorrow, since we're in the 31 days with 31 videos. All right, guys, take care.